That way I have the boards ready to rock and roll. And then at the end of the day, after I get all that framed, all I'm gonna have to do is put in some boards up above. Just kind of secure the wall in place. So it doesn't move. And then, oh, you're getting hard. And then, that way I have some place to nail drywall to. And since I'm actually done with a couple of tools, like my square and stuff, I'll take it back down to the tool crib so that way I know where it is. And I'll have to try and find it later.